Exercise 3.2, question number 9, part 1. We have to find matrix A. In this equation, this is a matrix 2 by 2 multiplied by matrix A minus another matrix and is equal to some other matrix. All the matrices given are 2 by 2. Now this matrix is taken to the right, so it is previously it is minus, so it will become plus. Then adding these two, first entry A11 is added with A11, so minus 1 plus 2 is 1, and then minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, and 3 minus 1 2, and 6 minus 2 4. Now the right hand side is this. Now we are to find matrix A. So what will be matrix A? If this matrix is 2 by 2 and on the right hand side the matrix is also 2 by 2, so 2 by 2 multiplied by what will be A? So A will also be 2 by 2, because 2 by 2 multiplied with 2 by 2, so the resultant will be 2 by 2, because middle entries will be removed, so 2 by 2. So the resultant is 2 by 2 of this matrix and A, which is this one, 2 by 2. So matrix A must be 2 by 2 matrix. Then what is A? This matrix will be taken to the right side, then it will become inverse. So inverse of this matrix, 4 3 2 2 inverse. This is 4 3 2 2. When it is coming to the right, it will become inverse of this matrix. So what is the inverse? Inverse is adjoint of this matrix divided by determinant of this matrix. Adjoint will be changing the places of the diagonal, principal diagonal, diagonal, which are 4 and 2, so it will become 2 4, and change the sign of the rest of the elements, minus 3 minus 2, and divided by determinant, 4 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, minus 3 2s are 6, so it will be 2. So 1 by 2 multiplied by the adjoint, and the other matrix is this one. So multiply these two matrices. This is the inverse, and multiply by this matrix. So 1 by 2 multiply by multiplication. So first row is multiplied with the first column, 2 into 1 2, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, and then first row is multiplied with the second column. First row multiplied with the first column, we are getting this. First row is multiplied with the second column, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, and minus 3 into 4 minus 12, and then second row multiplied with the first column, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, 4 into 2 8, and then second row is multiplied with the second column, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, and 4 into 4 16. Then after this, after adding 2 minus 4 minus 4, minus 2 minus 12 minus 14, minus 2 plus 8 6, and 2 plus 16 is 18. This 1 over 2 is multiplied with each entry, and we are getting A matrix is equal to minus 2 minus 7 3 9. Now coming over to the second part, question number 9, second part. Equation is given. This is matrix equation. A into this matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, minus another 2 by 2 matrix is equal to some other 2 by 2 matrix, then this matrix, which is minus, is taken to the right, then it becomes plus on the right. Adding these two, 2 minus 1 1, and 0 plus 2 2, and minus 1 plus 3 2, 5 plus 1 6. Now we are to find matrix A. So this matrix will be taken to the right, then it will become, this matrix will become inverse. So what is the inverse? First of all, determinant of this matrix. Determinant of this matrix is equal to 3 into 2 6 minus 4 into 1 4. 6 minus 4 2. This is the determinant. So 1 over determinant into adjoint. What is the adjoint? The principal diagonal is having elements 3 2. So change the places. 2 in 3 2, instead of 3 2 we are writing 2 3, and change the sign of the rest of the elements. So minus 1 minus 4. 1 over 2 is coming to the left, and the two matrices are multiplied. So first row is multiplied with the first column, and first row is multiplied with the second column. Second row is multiplied with the first column, and second row is multiplied with the second column, and we are getting equal to 1 over 2 and matrix minus 6 5 20 16. 1 over 2 is multiplied with each entry. 1 over 2 is multiplied with each entry, so we are getting 1 by 2 minus 6 minus 3, 1 by 2 5, 5 by 2, 1 by 2 multiply 20 10, 1 by 2 multiply 16 8. So the matrix A is found, which is this one. Part 2 is over. Thank you.